Hey, I've got a Spartin trailer that's 18 months old, and I just wanted to put this on YouTube to see if anybody else has got the same problem. Around here on the axle, behind the wheel, I've got rust coming out from around the hub or something inside. So I've got a layer of rust running all the way around here. When I go underneath, I find that the rust is coming from inside the Lippert axle. There's a hole here that goes across to the other side. That's where the wires come from the other side to the brakes. And this means that this axle is full of rust and water. So how do you drain it? And why does it fill up? I've only run in water 2 times while this trailer has been brand new. So I just wondered if has anybody seen this before.